Today is our second day of code, 30 days of coding challenge. Day 0 Hello World was completed. Today we will do day 1 data types. The task we have to do is complete the code in the editor below. The variables id and s are already declared and initialized for us. We have to just declare three variables, one of type int, one of type double, and one of type string, and then we have to take input of the three variables and initialize them to respectively. And we have to use the plus operator to perform the following operations. Print the sum of I plus your int variable on a new line. Print the sum of d plus your double variable to a scale of 1 decimal place on a new line. Concatenate s with the string you read as input and print the result on a new line. So we have to add the given integers with the integers we take as input, and then we have to print it as like this. So we will code this in C++. I have chosen the language. Here three variables are given and declared as was written in the question, and we have to declare three another. In C++ there are various types of data types: integer, float, double, string, boolean, char. But the question tells us to declare integer, double, and string variables, so we will do it. Int a double b, and taking string str. For integer and double we have used the same syntax, that is cin. Cin helps us to take any input of and assign it to the variable. But for string we have used getLine. getLine is a function which helps us to take input of a string with spaces. We can take input of a sentence or a paragraph without any problem. But if we use cin here only, then it will not then it will take only the word, only a single word, and not the spaces or a whole line as a string. Here we have used cin then ws. So what is the work of ws? Ws is used to consume the white space or new line between the end of a token and the beginning of the next line. That is in simple words, it helps to eat white spaces and new line before it. You can understand it if you code the same thing in an IDE, and not an online editor. I am talking about something like Visual Studio Code. Then while taking input you will understand it what happens. So then we have to print sum it up and print cout I plus a handle cout d plus b handle creates help us create a new line. And for string in C++, we if we want to concatenate or add the two strings, then we can just do like this: s plus str, and it automatically concatenates the two of them. This plus acts as a operator overloading, since plus is normally used to add two numbers, but here it is adding two strings, so this is a very good example of operator overloading. So let's run this code. Seeing some error. Here the integer sum is okay, the string concatenation is okay. So here the error lies in the decimal part. My output is coming as 8, but the expected output is 8.0. Here in my code, the compiler is eliminating the decimal part, that is 0.0, which is negligible, because naturally 8.0 and 8 both are the same. But here we need to print this 0.0 part. So what I missed here is I need to give a precision so that the 0.0 is visible. Fixed, then set precision 1. I think now the code will run perfectly. Yeah, perfect. So here what I've done is I have fixed this precision, and I have set a precision of 0.1, decimal 0.1, so it's showing 0.0, and I'm submitting the code. Here both the test cases is passed and success. And here on the channel page, there is a HackerRank 30 days of code solutions as a playlist. My channel page. Do access this playlist, either bookmark it from here or save this playlist. All the other videos will be added to this playlist. So this was all for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you.